E-commerce is a multi-billion-dollar sector in the United States alone. Global retail e-commerce sales are expected to sum up to $8.1 trillion, and this share will rise further to 22.6% by 2027. So, if you want to stay competitive in this business growth, you need to begin making strategic plan of investments to modernize your e-commerce platform. The right e-commerce platform may help your e-commerce business succeed, but selecting one can be a difficult process. So, to help you make an informed selection, we've included all you need to know in this blog. Let's start. The right e-commerce platform is crucial for various reasons. Not only selling online, building an e-commerce business requires more. Building a local business involves strategic planning process and work like running a store or factory. Consider business growth, operational expenses, consumer involvement, and corporate goals when choosing an e-commerce platform. In addition, lead generation service, customer engagement platform, and corporate procedures show e-commerce difficulties. Use these methods to assess your e-commerce platform's ROI marketing. Retailers may manage virtual assets, online sales, and marketing on one platform. Online competition is nearly impossible without an e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform powers every online retail enterprise, B2B or B2C. Your company's potential clients and employees benefit from a solid e-commerce platform. After you understand why choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial, let us guide you through the essential elements to help you research. Consider these 9 factors when picking the best e-commerce platform for your business. 1. Be aware of your requirements. You must determine your needs before examining e-commerce systems. Setting your needs beforehand makes finding and choosing a solution easier. Plan your search beforehand. Explain your company's current and future. Which services and activities does your website offer? Tracking clients' purchases is another useful method. How do they find you? Which social media marketing do they use? Which order fulfillment method do they prefer? List everything you need. Consider the company's long-term goals. Your company needs a solution to expand. 2. Prepare a budget. Set a budget for your e-commerce platform. When budgeting, including unanticipated costs of deploying a new solution. You should think about the costs of maintenance, guide setup, and other things besides license and production. Consider these while budgeting. E-commerce platform costs. Design and development costs. Maintenance expenses. Fees for transactions and hosting. Fees for consultation. Monthly payments are typical for platforms. Consider upfront and recurrent costs while choosing. Don't sacrifice essentials for money. 3. Select a secure platform. If they doubt the information security of their personal and financial data, they won't buy from your e-commerce site. Thus, your platform must have PCI compliance, SSL certificate, and theft prevention. The platform should conduct security audits to identify vulnerabilities and make modifications to safeguard clients. A platform with two-factor authentication is essential. Security plugins can secure sensitive data in systems without multi-factor authentication. 4. Ensure you have the right integrations. The e-commerce platform must have the necessary data integrations to satisfy your company's objectives and provide your customers with the best possible purchasing experience. Having those crucial connectors may make your e-commerce website run more smoothly and ease your life. Data integrations are essential for product delivery, bookkeeping and invoicing, emailing and marketing, website autofilling, and a variety of other duties. Not all systems offer all integrations, so make sure you understand your business requirements before analyzing the features and functionality. The most popular e-commerce plugins include 1. Accounting. 2. Email marketing service. 3. Pricing. 4. Customer loyalty programs. 5. Payment and shipping. 6. Third-party digital tools, such as CRM and ERP. 5. Get a responsive e-commerce website design. If e-commerce companies opt to have separate desktop and mobile websites, they will need to manage different email marketing campaigns, advertising strategies, product information, and so on. It will boost costs and deplete various resources. This makes responsive website design essential. A site with responsive web design instantly adapts to multiple PC, laptop, smartphone, and tablet screen sizes. As a result, responsive web design allows you to give an excellent experience to customers regardless of the device they use. There are various responsive themes and templates available on the platforms for constructing vertically stacked e-commerce websites. Magento, WooCommerce, and Shopify are excellent platforms to get started. 6. Choose several payment gateways. There is no one method to complete a transaction, which is why businesses should always provide several payment choices. Furthermore, this necessitates a connection between your company and a secure payment solution gateway that securely transfers funds from your customers' bank accounts to their own. Not all e-commerce platforms are compatible with all payment gateways integration. The location of the payment mechanism is equally important as geographic considerations. Despite being an excellent payment option, e-wallets have yet to dominate the industry. As a result, be sure that the platform you choose has a wide selection of payment ways to satisfy your key customers. 7. Make your website SEO-friendly. Customers will only visit your website if it appears in search results when they browse for products comparable to those you sell. To get more people to see and rank your website higher in search engines, you need to work with search engine optimization, SEO, strategy. Developing organic SEO takes patience. To make things easier, use a platform that follows best practices and prioritizes remaining up to website speed on Google's algorithm adjustments. When it comes to SEO, not every e-commerce site is the same. You must check to see what SEO capabilities are available, such as fundamental tasks like changing photo captions and metadata, adding a blog and images to their website, enabling customer reviews, support for Google sitemaps, and many more. 8. Check platform scalability. You're here to grow your e-commerce business. So, choose a platform that will expand your organization. Furthermore, the platform should not charge exorbitant fees for adding more functionality and storage to meet your increasing business demands. Look for a scalable, cloud-hosted system with features and functionalities that fit your growing company's needs right now. Considering effective caching strategies and the ability to immediately erase information when descriptions need to evolve is crucial. Ensure that your clients receive enough technical and customer assistance as well. 9. Look for data analytics. Revenue growth and return are the ultimate objectives. Regularly assessing business performance can help you find the best profit-generating methods. Several e-commerce systems allow users to access analytics. This will make it easy to understand your company's performance. You may collect data from your website and analyze statistics to better understand customer behavior changes. Data analytics tool aids in the development of strategies for increasing sales and profitability. Therefore, making sound business decisions relies on basing judgments on accurate facts. Conclusion. Gain a thorough grasp of each factor's benefits. All that remains is to assess each platform and choose which is the best match for your firm. Make an informed conclusion by considering the criteria listed above. Bizionic Technologies is an experienced and trusted provider of high-performance e-commerce software solutions. Our e-commerce platform is a widely acclaimed, enterprise-grade solution that has been robustly developed to suit the most demanding bespoke business requirements.